So we've already learned how to create a template, a task card template using Canva. And now I'm going to go and kind of review the prompting of ChatGPT and how to get the data. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to import it. So this little snippet is going to be building the prompt, prompting ChatGPT, and getting the Excel or Google Docs spreadsheet. So here we go. Hey, Chat. I am creating a task card set for my 8th graders, and I want them to be able to practice their understanding of thesis statements in 3 different ways. Can you create 36 tasks with 3 different levels of differentiation? I am thinking one task could be, does this thesis statement have all of the essential elements? Claim and 3 reasons. Another could be revise the thesis statement to make it stronger, and then you come up with the last style of tasks. Let's see what you got. I will also need student directions paired with every task. Okay. Looks good so far. Have all the essential elements. Okay, this is neat. Read the thesis statement below and decide if it includes a clear claim and 3 reasons. Circle the claim and underline the reasons if present. If the thesis statement is missing an essential part, explain. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Great, relevant. Revise the thesis statement. Okay, so now we know the essentials and we have to apply it here. And then create a thesis statement from a prompt. Wow, okay. Oh, okay. For students seeing more sport, stick with having. Oh, this is just additional. Okay, see, so sometimes they do this. Okay. So chat just gave us more options for the identify and evaluate. And then more options for this, revise and improve. And then more prompts for this. Okay, so just additional practice. Okay, so that works. Great. Now I need you to take all of the data and create a CSV file in the following format. Column A, task number. Column B, directions for the task. And column C is the task. Thank you. And it's going to spit out something. Sometimes it'll take a minute to put it into a CSV, but trust me, that is eliminating even more work for us.